Let us see, before starting Node.js, what are the topics we should be aware of? I have seen many students who have this question, how much JavaScript do we need to learn before getting started with Node.js? So Node.js is nothing but it is a JavaScript itself, but it is running on a server. So basically, it is JavaScript runtime environment. So many of us will be having this question, and many students they will keep on learning JavaScript and they will never end JavaScript and they are just going to go into tutorial hell. Many of us will be confused. They will not be aware where does JavaScript ends and from where Node.js is going to begin. Let me tell you, JavaScript is never ending topic because every year we are having updates in JavaScript. So JavaScript is never going to end. But if you're planning to become backend developer and at the earliest you just want to get started with Node.js, so I will be showing you the topics which you should be aware of before getting started with Node.js. These topics are available on official documentation of Node. So these are the recommended topics. You should be knowing about lexical structure. You should know JavaScript expressions. You should know what are data types, what are classes, then what are variables, what are functions, this operator in JavaScript, then arrow functions, loops, scopes, then arrays. Inside array, we are having lot of methods. So you can just go through all the methods. Template literal, strict mode, and very important, ECMAScript 2015 and beyond. And apart from this, you should also be aware of asynchronous programming. In that, you should have understanding of timers. You should be knowing what are promises, how to fetch API data, how to display the data on screen, what are async await, what are closures, and finally, you should have understanding of event loop. So before getting started with Node.js, these are the topics which you should be aware of in JavaScript. So basically, you should know JavaScript fundamentals. You should know advanced JavaScript. Advanced JavaScript is nothing but the topics which are mentioned above. And finally, you should be aware of ECMAScript, basically the concepts which are present in ES6. So these are some of the topics which you should be aware of before getting started with Node.js. Apart from this, you don't have to learn any extra tool. You don't have to master anything. Only thing you should be having understanding of JavaScript, because whatever we will be doing or whatever syntax we are going to write in Node.js, it will be completely same as JavaScript, but only thing we will be having some extra feature, but rest entire syntax and each and everything will be same. I suggest you before getting started with Node.js, just go through this concept and understand JavaScript. And also for all these topics, I have already created the courses and uploaded on my channel. So you can visit or you can see any YouTube video and understand these concepts.